How can you build a whole ad ecosystem in which we make FB ads, TikTok ads, Google ads work together? This is the missing piece of the jigsaw puzzle which most people don't pay any attention to. You got to be like an octopus, right? Anywhere your leads or your audiences go, you catch them. They go there, you catch them there. They go here, you catch them. And that is what you want to have, a marketing strategy which is kind of like an octopus. You got Google here, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, X, everywhere. So wherever your audiences go, catch them. So my biggest tip is, even if you are not running ads on any of these platforms, put that pixel or the tag on your website or your landing page where you are driving traffic organically, if you're getting organic traffic, because you're building up that audience. And when you want to hit them with a message, offer, or a promotion, you would have a pre-built audience. So do it today or tomorrow. If you haven't done it, put the pixels in. Yeah, great question. And then they will start to work together. And then don't um, compare each platform to the other. Well, Facebook is very cheap, but Google is very expensive. Well, Facebook will be can be cheap, but they may not be very relevant. But Google can be expensive, but you can get highly relevant leads. So it's kind of like a game of football where the striker gets the credit for every goal he scores. But the guy who passed the ball and assisted him does not get any credit. But nowadays, the guy who makes the playmaker, who assists the striker, sometimes is more expensive than the striker, because without that guy, the striker will not be able to score the goal. So think of each of your 11 players in a football or a soccer team as a network. You got Google, you got Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest. If they don't pass the ball to each other, only Google playing up front cannot score the goal unless it's Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi. Even they can't score a goal on their own, playing by themselves. So if you have a team who's playing together, you can imagine what you can achieve.